Hey guys, welcome back to my channel where we are having our trading sessions together. Guys, today we are going to have very interesting trading because we are going to trade today with two indicators at once. I know for some of you it might be very difficult. Maybe you don't know how to use hints from both indicators and you will get very confused. So don't worry, today I'm going to explain you how to trade with two indicators at once and what are those indicators. I will tell you right now, but before, please don't forget to subscribe to this channel and of course put a big thumbs up. So guys, let's get started. In this video I want to show you how to trade with two indicators at once, which is alligator indicator and MACD. And I will start today with $49 on my deposit, and I will usually enter the deals for 1 or 2 minutes, and I will trade on a 15 seconds time frame. Also guys, my goal for today is to increase my current deposit up to $12,000. So be sure to watch this video till the end. You will get to know what kind of result I will get in the end of this session. Also, perhaps you will like this trading, to trade with two indicators. Now I suggest you to start and choose the first entry point. As we can see, a bearish trend is evident in the market. Each new maximum is lower than the previous one, and at the same time the green sliding alligator is located below the other lines. And on MACD, both moving averages are moving below zero, and the main line goes below the signal line. So $49, and I will go down for 1 minute. During this time the graph shows a decrease. This is our first deal and we got the profit, guys. Now let's see what happens next in the market. After updating the minimum, an impulsed green candle appeared on the chart. And on the MACD indicator, the green line crossed the signal line from bottom to top, which indicates that the bearish trend is fading. At the same time, we see that the green sliding alligator also crosses two other lines from bottom to top. And I will open a deal to go up with $91. I think that I will be able to make money on this price rollback. As you can see, our deal closes above the entry point, so guys, we got the profit. Then the chart continues to go up, the sliding alligators are still pointing upwards, and on the MACD indicator, the main line moves above the red signal line, and both moving averages cross the zero level from bottom to top. This indicates that the price will continue to rise. I will open a deal with the entire deposit for a minute. As we can see, the price growth has continued and we closing this deal in profit. Let's see what the market situation is next, guys. After a slight slowdown in the price, an impulsive green candle appears on the chart. The price starts to grow more actively. At the same time, the distance between sliding alligators increasing noticeably. And on MACD, the green line moves away from the signal line again. And all of this indicates the continuation of the upward movement. So I decide to open a deal with $311 for 1 minute. We haven't seen much growth during this time, but the most important, we got the profit, guys. I will open the next deal in a similar scenario since the chart didn't go up much last time. And guys, the indicators still indicate the continuation of the price growth. The amount of my deal is $573. The time is 1 minute. During this time, the chart goes higher, so we got the profit again, guys. We already have $1,000 on our balance, so we are step by step going to our goal. Let's continue, guys, and find another entry point. As you can see, the chart came to the resistance level and began to decline. The green moving indicator crossed the other two lines from top to bottom, and on MACD the main line also crossed the signal line. guys, this indicates that the trend is fading, and let's try to make money on the price rollback. As you can see, guys, it was a great entry point. The price showed a good decline and we earned. Further, the price after trading in the flat begins to pay off. The alligator's green sliding line immediately goes above the rest of the lines. And the main MACD line crosses the red one from bottom to top. Since the overall trend is still bullish and above there is a resistance level where the price can continue to rise, I will open a deal, guys, up for 1 minute. As a result, my script works out perfectly. The resistance level is breaking through on the chart, and guys, this movement brings us profit. As you can see further, the price is moving in a bearish trend for 30 minutes. There was also a breakdown in the support level. The sliding alligator indicator moved downwards for a long time at a great distance from each other. And now, guys, the distance between them is increasing again. So, therefore, I open a deal with almost the entire deposit to go down for 2 minutes, since I see that there was an intersection of sliding lines on MACD. The chart is moving downwards all the time of our deal. And guys, it means that we got the profit. Now let's see what the market situation is next. The price went flat after the downward movement, and at the same time we see that the green sliding alligator is located at the bottom. Okay, on the MACD indicator, the main line also goes below the signal line. All this indicates a continued decline in the price. Therefore, after the impulse red candle, I will open the deal with $1,300 for 1 minute. As you can see, the chart continues to go down and we made profit from this transaction, guys. We look further, guys. A bullish trend have formed. After the slowdown, the price starts to pay off again. The sliding alligator indicators are going up and the distance between them is getting bigger. And for example, on the MACD indicator, the lines are above 0, and at the same time, the signal line of the main green line crosses from the bottom up. And all of this, guys, tells us about the continuation of the trend. On my deposit, $2,500, I will go up for 1 minute. As you can see, guys, the chart updates the maximum and our deal closes with the profit. I have almost $10,000 on my deposit, guys, and to reach the goal $12,000, we need to make another deal, of course. So, guys, let's continue and find another entry point. As you can see here, after updating the maximum on the chart, the price went into the correction. And after the support level test, it pays off again. On MACD, the main line has already crossed the signal line from bottom to top. And as soon as the green sliding line starts to go higher on the alligator indicator, I will open a deal with $4,500 up for 2 minutes. As for the overall trend, we still have a bullish one. During this time, guys, there is a good growth on the chart. Thus, our last deal for today closes with the profit, which means, guys, I fulfill my trading plan because now we have $13,261 on my balance. We managed to achieve the trading goal for today, and I think it's time to end. That's it for today, guys. All the market situations worked out perfectly for us, and also I hope you learned something new today and now you know how to use 2 indicators at once. But if you still feel confused and you need more information about that, I advise you to watch my previous videos where I also trade with two indicators, and maybe it will give you another way to understand how all of this working, and you can finally try it yourself to trade and see how it goes. But don't forget that trading is all about experience, and the more you trade, the more you build your skills. Also, guys, to help you in your trading, I'm sharing trading signals for free. The rule is only one and super easy. Text me a code word signal on my Telegram. Guys, and I also expect that you already put a big thumbs up to this video and subscribe to this channel because there are so many things to come. I wish you to have a successful trading sessions. See you later. Bye bye.